Android Auto helps you safely use your favorite Android apps while you're driving. Maps, your phone, email, texts, music, and more are all available through Android Auto and your Acura. Setting up Android Auto on your Acura is simple. Plus, you have the choice to use wireless or wired connectivity. For best results, Acura recommends that you ensure that your Android device is using the latest software. To use wired connectivity, use an improved USB cable and plug it into your Android device and into the USB data port of your Acura. Once plugged in, the touchscreen will ask if you would like to enable Android Auto. Select Yes. On your phone, select Yes as well and accept other permissions as needed. To use wireless connectivity, select Android Auto on the touchscreen. Then select Connect Phone. Then select Connect New Device. Turn on Bluetooth on your Android device. Then search for the name of your vehicle shown on the touchscreen. Once it appears, select it. If a pairing code appears, confirm that the number is the same and accept it. The touchscreen will ask if you would like to enable Android Auto. Select Yes, and also select Yes on your Android device if asked. You can also select if you want it to be the default device. A message will appear confirming your sign-in. Now your Android device will connect automatically for Android Auto anytime you start your Acura and have your phone with you. If you're having any issues with wireless connectivity, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Make sure your phone isn't being used as a hotspot. And if you want to remove your phone from wireless Android Auto use, go to Bluetooth Audio, then select your phone. You can then select Disconnect or select Delete Device. Android Auto and your Acura are a perfect match. It's one of a whole array of advanced technologies available on Acura vehicles. For more information about everything Acura, go to the Acura Info Center at acurainfocenter.com.